Mommy, do it, do it.
Look what I can do.
Mommy, will you be my friend?
You be my friend.
Mommy, look into the camera.
You can be my friend.
Mommy! Mommy! Do it, Mom.
You can be my friend.
Jump up and down. Be my friend.
Hey, you like my jacket from the dollar store? My big boobs ripped it.
Mommy, do the lap dance.
Hey, you want a lap dance? Okay, where are you, K-Guy?
I love my mom.
Come on, K-Guy, we gotta dance.
Oh, yeah.
Wake up! Want a lap dance?
I gotta get up for my visit.
Come on, K-Guy, let's do the lap dance. Let's do the lap dance.
I want to be doing lap dance.
Come on now. Me and my new jacket.
My new jacket. Her boob popped it.
Damn, my jacket, bro.
Mommy, do this. Mommy, do this. Mommy.
Hey,
Mommy.
don't crack on me because I'm beautiful. Stop it.
Mommy, do this.
Stop it.
Mommy.
I'm not your mother. And look at this mess up in here.
Mommy.
Get up, Kai. We have to dance.
No,
I need to give you a lap
I
dance.
need to go to sleep. I gotta go to the bed.
Mommy, do this. Mommy, do the nipple thing. Put your nipples and stick your tongue out.
Where are you?
Mommy. Mom.
Justin.
you doing?
Hi, Justin.
Are you wrapped in plastic?
You like my jacket from the dollar store? I ripped it because I have a big boob.
You're sick.
Come on now, Justin.
Look
I'll
here.
give you a lap dance, Justin. Where's Rick?
I don't know. He like dipped. Mommy.
Let's go find
Mommy, do the thing with your nipples.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Rick. Oh, Rick. Oh, you bet my big boy.
My big boy.
Oh, you like my jacket from the dollar store?
You look good.
Look,
Mommy.
I ripped it.
Mommy, do this. Do it.
Oh, my nipple's poking out.
Mommy, do this.
I am not doing that, girl. You dirty bag, yo. Look at this place. It's a mess in here. You guys are slobs.
Even when you're nerds, you're freaking.
Do you like my jacket?
Yes, I do. You look
Isn't it
stunning.
beautiful?
You look gorgeous.
What about my pants? You like my pants? You like my pants?
Mom, do a booty shake. Do it in the light. Do it in the light, Mom.
You want a lap dance?
No.
Get a lap dance, right?
No.
Come on now.
Do the booty shake, Mom. Go hard. Go. That's how you go hard.
Come on now.
Give.
You want a lap dance, Richard?
No.
Grind on Rick, Mom.
Come on now, big boy.
Pretend you're at the club, Mom.
Come on. We gotta dance now.
Oh my God.
I give you lap dance.
I give you lap dance.
Oh, watch out, my jacket's ripping. It's very cheap, you know. I bought it at the dollar store. Come on now.
This is funny. Ow.
Come on now, big boy. Okay.
Is the nerd going to bed now?
Yes, no, it's going to bed now.
You gonna give him
I
a
need
kiss?
to take off my clothes and my...
What do you gotta say to my friends? Because this is going on Facebook right now.
Like my jacket, I did buy it at the dollar store, you know. Shoot, it ripped. Damn dollar
Her pointy boob.
Should I help you take it off?
Help
Ready?
me.
1,
Don't rip my jacket
2,
now.
3.
Oh,
You ripped Mommy's jacket.
God damn.
You gotta give her $1 now.
Wait, now
Like my flannel.
now I'm gonna make a
My
normal.
flannels.
Watch. We're gonna go for wait.
What are
No.
flannels again?
We're gonna de-nerd her. Wait a minute. Hold on.
De-nerd her.
We're gonna de-nerd
No,
her.
don't you think? She's
No, I'm not,
going to
no, I'm
dumb.
not. I'm not gonna take it right off. Bring it back to normal.
Okay, the nerd's coming in.
Alright, watch. Turn her on.
The nerd's
Turn her
coming.
on.
No.
Right?
Oh, you're gross.
Listen, before I give you a lap dance now.
Before I give you a lap dance.
I tried.
Mommy, look at my beautiful mommy.
Okay.
Sugar pose. Mommy, see, do it. Look what I can do. Undo it.
Oh no, that was funny. I should have did
Do
it
it.
when I had the trash bag. Look what I can do.
Oh my God. Mommy,
We're just having fun. Clean fun.
clean fun.
Okay, the
Girl.
show's over.
What do you gotta say, Mom?
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all. If you're wondering why I'm so weird, look at my mommy.
Oh, stop it. We're only playing.
We're only playing.
You like my jacket?
It's genetics.
It's genetic.
damn.
It really
I
is.
need another jacket from the dollar store.
I can't help it. Like, being weird is in my blood. Like
Hey,
it's a proven fact right here.
we're having fun.
The good thing is, I'm no relation, so.
Yeah, you wish you were.
Let it go.
Say bye, my friends, mommy.
Bye.
We love you.
We love you.